Hi everybody. I decided to make a tutorial, fairly easy tutorial about modeling a screwdriver in Rhino. So let's start. If you have some reference picture you want, first you want to do is make it the right size. Whoops. So let's trim this. So you want to trim the picture to be exact same size as the model you will be making. So let's trim these unnecessary parts away. I will put the trimmed picture into the block side so you can get it if you don't want to do it yourself. So let's save this. This size doesn't matter, so okay. Then let's go to Rhino and the command line write picture. It gives you right away picture frame. So now you can use select the picture you want to use, and then you want to it asks the first corner, so press 0 so you get the starting point to the 0. Then let's say screwdriver is something about like 200 millimeters, so 20 centimeters. So let's put 200 there and press shift and click left mouse button, so then it goes into the horizontal line and it doesn't go like this. So when you start a line and you want it straight, press shift and then click and you get the straight line. Okay, now we have the picture, and as you can see it's on the wrong view, but it doesn't matter because this shape is rounded. So first of all, here's a little pro tip. You want to make a layer, name it something like storage or garage. Okay, and you want one layer to say lines. So you can put all your lines there and you can just hide it when you don't need it. So let's make this grip first. So we want to start from the mid and it snaps into that. You want to, okay, my snaps doesn't show up because of this recorder, but you want to have this enabled. So let's start. Always use as less curves you can possibly use. Okay, maybe we make this end with a circle. So if it's possible, use less control points. So few control points as you can. But of course you don't want to the shape look like crap. I'm going to make it this pretty fast. Okay, I'm gonna, and you can, in the curve mode you can also press shift and you get straight line. But you have to make, maybe I just end it here and make it with the straight line. So we want to get the middle point here. So this is the smart track. So I get it into the middle, and we want to, let's stop here and press Ctrl L. So now the picture is locked. So if you want to make this line more smoother, you can turn on the, okay, first of all, let's move this. Let's unlock all objects, select the picture and change it into another layer. Change object layer, and now we can hide it. Ah, okay, sorry, we were drawing into the white layer. That's the why the line didn't show up so well. So do the same thing to this line, and we don't need that carriage now. And select the curve and press F10. So now we have the curve and lock the picture again. There's this little lock. Okay, let's just continue it. So if you want to change these points, you can drag these if you want. I think I'm not sure if this end will look very good because we have only one control point there. So I hope it will look okay. You should always have at least two control points, and you want to use shift at the end. Maybe we just move this here and start a new line from the end and snap to the midpoint, and you have to press F12 so the control points go off. Now we can join them together and move these a little bit further. Okay, now it's not so smooth. Maybe it's okay. So if you want to move those more smoother or make your own more your own look to the shape, you can do it. Then let's start. Let's select the move and mirror and select the end or the midpoint, and then it gives this mirror from the other line, and just press shift and drag mouse to the right and then click. Now you have two lines which are shaped the same way. Now you can use join. Sorry, let's not do this part at all. Sorry. So let's select this line and go here and just choose revolve, and it asks for the start of axis. Press 0 and enter. Sorry, no. So start of axis, select the midpoint of course, and then again press shift and drag into the left and click. Now you can press here the full circle because we want it to be full circle. So there you have it. Now we have the grip ready, and we can change the layer of it and write up grip. Okay, so let's make the end of the screwdriver. So let's start with the line a little bit inside of the grip, so it goes inside the grip, and press shift so you get the straight line. I will make this end simplified, so I will not make nice curve there. I just make a straight lines. So if you want to make more detail, just go for it. So like that, and into the I think I will take the middle point from here. So use smart drag to get the point of the grip, and okay, it was the same spot. Then press enter. Now we have the line, and let's just revolve it. Select the end of the line and press shift and drag left or right, and again full circle. So now you have the screwdriver, and now I give you a pro tip if you want to say it like that. You can select all the curves with this, so now you can change the layer of them and maybe hide them so you don't snap or delete them. So let's make the details of this end details for the place where the screw goes. So again I will be making straight lines. This time I don't go into the end. I hope it will look like I hope it will look good enough. Then you take the mirror, take the end of the line you just made and mirror it. And now we go closer, take the control point curve, then select the end of the lines we just did. Sorry. I was supposed to use make the project at this point. So move those lines up and go to the top view, write project, and then select the screwdriver part, and now you have the lines projected into the end of the screwdriver. So now you can move this line to the lines layer, and you can now use split and split and select the body and then the lines you just made. Okay. So now you have this useless surface and we made a hole into the body, and you can again select the end, and we use one control point at the middle of the almost middle of the and then select the end and press F10, and there is slope something like this in the end of screwdriver, so maybe we move it a little bit more. Okay, if you want to make it better, just do it. So now we have the middle line. Let's choose surface from 2, 3 or 4 edge curves, and then we choose the curve and the middle line. There you have it. In this pro tip number 2, go to options. As you see, there is weird looking line, but it's only because we have these settings are not into the faster selection. So I always make these into the best and slowest and smooth and slower, so the preview doesn't look weird and don't mess with you. So as you see, that line is now in the same line with the surface. If you sometimes see that problem, it almost always is related to those settings, so go and change them. So now you can repeat the same process you did before, or you can choose this and mirror it from the end point and press shift. Okay. So let's in this now it's a good time to test if you can join these together. So select these surfaces and the body and press Ctrl plus J, or press this button. So yeah, it worked. So now we go back. Undo is Ctrl G. I recommend you learn those shortcuts. So undo the join, and you have, we made the project so it made these lines also at the back of this solid body. So we right split again, select the body, press enter, select the lines, press enter, delete the surface, select these. You can join these together and then use mirror, and now you have to be careful to select the right point, and I use it at the end of this screwdriver. It said midpoint, but it's also the end of the screwdriver. So now you have this at the end, and let's again, it's way easier to test it now if the body is solid, or if the join is okay with the pieces we made. So let's test the join again. So as you can see, the join worked. Ctrl G, Z. So now you have the top and bottom. So now we need the side slots. So it's so nice that the Rhino is easy to select those. At the Rhino it's so easy to select those parts you want. So select the lines at the top and right rotate. And at the right view, or at the perspective, select the mid or end point of the screwdriver and press shift so you can turn it 90 degrees. Now you have the line at the right view, right side, and now you can mirror it from the end point. And again shift. And now you can use the split command, select the body and the lines, delete the same here, and now you can select this and Ctrl C, make copy, and then rotate. Again, endpoint, shift, and okay. Sorry, I didn't pass that. Oh, so of course you need to pass that first. So now select. Doesn't matter which one do you select. And now make the rotate. And shift 90 degrees. And now we can try the join work. So Ctrl J or then press from here. And the join worked. So now you can again select the curves and move them into the lines. So now we have only the solid parts. So now you have the end and the grip. There was details of the grip, and we can also make them. So there was these nice details. I will not make this much complicated details, so I will only make this grip part, not those grip details. So I will make this fairly quick. So there you have it. Now you just go to the, where do we go? Okay, just stay at the top view, doesn't matter. So this is the reason, okay. This is the reason we should not start at the top view, the modeling, but now you can use the project again, select the body. Now you can see that you have the grip now at almost ready. So there's the line, and we just use split again. Now you have this surface. Now you can put up different kind of material in there and into the body. As you can see, the grip is I think there's at least 3 different parts of the grip, but I will only make 2. So you can make more of those if you like. Again, move this line. You have to move the line outside of the solid piece. I think you need to do it if you want to use project. So select the body again. There you go. And split again. Select the body. Select the curve. And now you have this grips. So now the body is not solid. So if you want to do it even better, you can make a surface going here, or you can make a little edge between these, so you get a nice gap between the grip and the body, but I will not make those. So this is a fairly simple model now. So let's get rid of that and Again, select the curves. I think I will rotate this. And now we can put some materials in it. Okay, the black part would need some pump or some details, but there you have it, a screwdriver. Fairly good. If you want, you can use the text tool or curve tool if you want to make more difficult logo. So you can make the logo at example here at front view. So you can write something here and then use the project and project into the end of the screwdriver and split it. You don't even need to split it if you just use the solid extrude curve. So just extrude it something like 5 millimeters and put it near the body and a little bit inside, so you get a nice logo into the frame. But if you want it to be into the if you want it to go with the surface, you need to use the project. Then just split it and you can put any material you wanted. So there you have it, a screwdriver in Rhino 3D. Thanks for watching.